Hello! In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the Fingers Aligner Unity plugin to align finger positions for your custom character, making hand animations look more natural. Let's start by opening the sample scene and making a few modifications. First, remove the existing model along with its hand Fingers Aligner components. Next, add your custom character to the scene and assign an animator controller. To ensure the character's meshes are visible, enable the Update when off-screen option for the skinned mesh renderer. This animation includes recorded hand movements captured using the MetaMovement SDK on a MetaQuest VR headset. As you can see, the finger placement looks unnatural in its current state. To improve this, we'll add the Hand Fingers Aligner component. Since we're configuring the right hand first, set the hand type property to right. Now, assign the necessary transforms, the hand bone and 4 transforms for each finger. Note that the current implementation requires all transforms to be specified. If any bone is missing, the configuration cannot proceed. Once all transforms are assigned, we can configure the finger constraints. These constraints define the range of angles for stretch and spread movements of each bone. Let's first test the default configuration. Some improvements are already visible, but we can make it even better. Switch to the scene window and open the finger constraints. While in configuration mode, you can freely rotate the hand bones for better visualization. I am rotating the hand bone to face the palm toward the camera. The bone rotations will reset once the configuration mode is closed. Let's start with the index finger. Here, you can adjust the allowed spread movements and modify the angle range if needed. You can also configure the stretch movements for each finger bone, proximal, intermediate, and distal. Adjust the angle ranges and observe the changes in real time. Repeat this process for the other fingers. In addition to spread and stretch adjustments, you can modify the axis direction along which the spread is performed. This allows for finer control over finger movements. Let's test the configuration by bending the fingers into a fist. The results are already looking more natural. Now that we've finished configuring the right hand, let's review the animation. While it's much improved, I'm not entirely satisfied with the ring fingers position. Let's tweak the stretch range for its proximal bone to fix this.
With these adjustments, the fingers align perfectly when forming a fist. We can now consider the right hand configuration complete. Next, move to the left hand and add the hand fingers aligner component. Assign all the finger bones and set the angle ranges to match the right hand. The only difference is that the axis tilt values should be set with opposite signs. Now, let's test the complete configuration. The improvements are clearly visible. You can toggle the alignment on and off to compare the results. As you may notice, the fingers are moving more naturally now, with smoother transitions and better alignment during complex animations. I hope you find this plugin helpful for creating more realistic hand animations in Unity. Thanks for watching.